Welcome to the Customer Aging Dashboard. This dashboard provides a comprehensive view of outstanding customer invoices and overdue receivables across the organization. It enables finance teams, credit controllers, and business leaders to monitor customer payment behavior, track aging balances, and identify overdue accounts through interactive visualizations and key performance indicators. The dashboard is integrated with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations and leverages data from the Credit and Collections module. Information is sourced from the Customer Aging Report, Customer Balance Report, and Customer Transactions Report, ensuring accurate and up-to-date visibility into customer receivables and payment status. On the left side of the dashboard, several interactive filters allow users to refine the analysis based on specific business requirements. Users can filter data by customer, customer group, company, aging as of date, and date type. These filters help focus the analysis on particular customers, legal entities, or reporting periods, enabling detailed investigation of receivable balances and aging trends. At the center of the dashboard, the Outstanding Invoices pie chart provides a visual breakdown of customer balances across multiple aging buckets. These categories typically include current, 1 to 30 days past due, 31 to 60 days past due, 61 to 90 days past due, 91 to 180 days past due, and over 180 days past due. This visualization helps users quickly identify the concentration of overdue balances and analyze collection risk within the organization. On the right-hand side, the KPI cards present key financial metrics. The total past due KPI highlights the total value of overdue receivables that require immediate collection attention. The total outstanding KPI displays the complete customer balance, including both current and overdue invoices in individual organization or company level. These indicators provide an instant snapshot of the organization's receivable position and support informed decision-making. The detailed transaction table at the bottom of the dashboard provides invoice-level information for deeper analysis. Users can review customer account numbers, customer names, invoice numbers, voucher numbers, customer groups, transaction dates, due dates, company codes, and outstanding balances. This detailed view enables finance teams to investigate specific transactions and identify the invoices contributing to overdue balances. One of the key strengths of this dashboard is its interactive functionality. Selecting any aging category, customer group, or transaction dynamically filters all related visuals and data throughout the report. This cross-filtering capability allows users to move seamlessly from high-level summaries to detailed transaction analysis within a few clicks. Thank you for exploring the Customer Aging Dashboard. The complete Customer Aging Dashboard provides powerful insights into customer payment behavior, outstanding receivables, and collection performance. By delivering real-time visibility into aging balances and overdue invoices, the dashboard helps organizations improve cash flow management, reduce credit risk, accelerate collections, and support more effective financial decision-making.